Out on remodeling projects, we use brown paper like this all the time to cover up finished floors or cabinets. It's pretty useful around the workshop too.
That's right, Danny, but the challenge is finding a convenient place to store the paper and to cut it. So what I've done here is I've gotten a couple of metal hooks from the hardware store and I've screwed them to 2 studs. Then I cut a length of wooden dowel that's slightly longer than that distance. Now we're just going to slip the paper on there and hang it right on the hook. Now you have a place to store the paper and you always know where it is. And to make it easier to cut, I'm going to take a 1x4 and screw it to the wall directly below the paper. In this case, it's down about 14 inches or so. Screw that right in place.
There you go.
Just a couple of 1 5/8 inch screws. Now what that provides is a surface for cutting the paper. So you should pull out as much as you need and then cut it right along. And I also put a little nail here on the side of the stud so you always have a convenient place to keep the knife and you know exactly where it is.
You can also use this same method for storing some of the other things that you have around the shop, such as paper towels or all the different rolls of tape you may have, and then it makes it very convenient to access those as well.